To update your Awardwallet link credit card, follow these steps. First, log into your Awardwallet account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the page and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings page, scroll down to the Linked Accounts section where you will see a list of all your linked credit cards. Find the credit card you want to update and click on the Edit link next to it. You will be taken to a page where you can update your credit card information. Enter your new credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any errors. If you have any pending transactions or rewards on your old credit card, you may need to contact the issuer to transfer them to your new card. After updating your credit card information, click on the Save Changes button to confirm the updates. Awardwallet will then verify the new credit card information and update your account accordingly. You can also add a new credit card to your Awardwallet account by clicking on the Add New Account link in the Linked Accounts section. It is essential to keep your credit card information up to date in Awardwallet to ensure that you receive accurate rewards tracking and account updates. By following these steps, you can easily update your Awardwallet link credit card and continue to manage your rewards and accounts efficiently. Regularly reviewing and updating your linked accounts can help you maximize your rewards earnings and stay on top of your credit card accounts.